It's pretty cool, the roads are empty. I finish off my burger. I'm going to Wakra Beach. I'm supposed to meet up with Sharif and Seth. I'm gonna do some fishing. It's 3:28 in the morning. I just had my cheeseburger. It's awesome. There's no traffic at all. And I am listening to some post-rock, which is pretty cool. I got some free music this morning. This group called Post-rock on Facebook. You guys should check it out if you're into post-rock music. Yeah, they were giving out some free codes for the Eternal Twilight, and I've been listening to them all day because they're pretty cool. It's a cool band. Thumbs up for McFlurries at 3:30 in the morning. Do you mix the Kit Kat with Oreo or do you have them separately? I just made it to Wakra Beach. It's pretty cool. You get to see the sunrise. So yeah, Sharif and Seth should be here. They should have been done preparing and stuff, and they should have started fishing.
Here. Yeah, the guy threw up. I think he's dead.
No, look, it's bubbling in the mouth.
Yeah, he's throwing up.
Come on, something nasty.
Here. I think they're having a staring competition with Seth.
What happened, man? What happened? Tell us.
I don't know, man. I don't know. It was a dark night. It was raining, thunder. This thing. Hey, what's up, man? How's it going? High five. I mean, high claw.
High claw.
I thought it was a big fish because it was pretty heavy, but it wasn't tugging. So I was like, okay, this is not tugging, but it's really heavy. At first, I thought I caught a boot. You know that? You know when you catch a boot?
Yeah.
Fishing. No, but it was a crab, man. It was doing this. Poor thing. Throw it back to its crab nation. Here. It's like you're standing at the edge of the world because
Am I?
Fish Islands. You're in the sea. Some sort of weird, hairy sea monster.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Tutorial video number 1: how to make a loop on a fishing rod line. Okay, so. That's how you do a loop. If you ask me one more time, I'm gonna use you as bait.
I like being bait.
What have to do it?
Bacon.
No, I'm serious. Okay, is that the same size?
Man, what are you doing? Are you badgering? Are you serious? I'm gonna go to Seth because his rod always gets stuck. Is your rod stuck again?
Not anymore.
I know.
You know what I think? You look like Jason Mraz.
I look like Jason Mraz?
Yes, you do.
If he was Persian, he'd look like me. So guys, we're done for fishing. Sharif caught 2 fishes, a long crab, which was awesome. Seth got nothing. I got nothing. Just not enough fish in the sea, I guess. I guess Sharif is awesome.
That's what they say. I don't know who they are. They say that.
So anyway guys, we're just gonna call it a day. It was a good day. The weather's pretty cool. There's a breeze. There's a hot and cool breeze.
How about you put down the camera and help me carry the stuff?
Guys, I'm gonna go help out Sharif. So you guys enjoy your time. Catch you guys later. Subscribe. Better subscribe. I'm gonna keep on spinning until you guys subscribe. Just press on that subscribe button right on top. Right on top of there. Just, I'm gonna keep on. Whoa.
So, thank you for watching. was awesome. It was awesome. Now I'm gonna throw you in the sea.